Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, the iron-fisted leader of the evil Cookie Scouts, representing the city straws, Scoutmaster Scott. Scoutmaster Scott's Boy Scouts are what they say, pure... Well, I don't know how to put this. Evil. They have been known to dump trash on the highway and cause fires. And, well, he's not like any Scoutmaster I've come across. He looks more like a general than a Scoutmaster to me. And to think this guy lost to Captain Esplanade. I would have come up with a better thumb wrestler idea for him, except for the fact that Scott is a Sinistra. I would make a general more like a Dextera, and I would give him a better name than the Cookie Scouts. I'll show you it when I come up with my own thumb wrestler ideas. Anyhow, there he is. That is how you draw Scoutmaster Scott. And, well, I know Trevor gets laryngitis when doing his phrase, but I would do a better voice than him. That way I give his voice a rest. How's that, Trevor Licky?